Hello, everybody. I feel like a new arrival, even though I have been at this for. I stopped counting at 20,000. I think. Well, I don't think I stopped. I never started counting. I am the forever. I am love. I am you. I am the very ceiling you see behind you, the light that shines through you. You can take this light and you can dive into it. You can be one with this light and cushion yourself on it. Just lay there, lay there, lay there, and let it come all the way inside of you. Tell you love you. My name is Spiritwolrd, White Wolf, Starseed Master, amongst many. A message from the Creator, from the one you believe in. Whatever name you call the one you believe in, the one you believe in says to tell you, I love you. I love you when you poop. I love you when you pee. I love you when you scream. I love you when you run around. Before all those actions, pulsations of neutrons and microns in a world of all that is harbor of dichotomous hoo-ha. The name is irrelevant. Many languages, yeah. The name is relevant. All you have to know is you are the only person who can choose you. Even though you're born with parents and you have all these people, it's not responsibilities, darling. Everybody is a responsibility unto everybody's responsibility. In that way, the world unifies. There is no color, there is no sex, there is no class, there is no high, there is no low. With bad, there's good. With good, there's bad. It's yin and yang. But you being here, it's not about and then work, then you die. How about you to party? Be like tequila and go booty. I'm not saying drink tequila. Didn't say that. Without sharp. I said be excitement. Pulsate when you come out of a bottle. Because it's right now you're in the bottle. So come out of the bottle and feel yourself. Feel that? You wanna be in the light? Stay in the light. Staying alive.